chopper 01 here. I've got the frame in the back of my ute and have welder in hand. I'm just going to do a couple of quick tacks on it, get it tacked up, make sure it's all straight, and then I'll weld it solid. So watch your eyes. Alrighty, that doesn't look too bad. It'll look better when I finish grinding her up. But, as you can see, I've got my safety gear on, got my safety shoes. Oh well. Alright guys, I'll set up for the next one. Alright guys, I'm going to tack this end because I've got to make it all straight, push it all in. So we've reset, we'll set this up, and we'll see how good my welding is, whether it holds or not. Now, turn the welder on first, guys. Don't know why, but that seems to help. Alright, there we go guys. Welds aren't pretty, but I think I can position the welder back a bit. If the old girl will go back a bit. There we go. And I think I might have cut this end a bit short. But that's okay. We can get around that. I'll do a little bit of repositioning, guys. Back in a sec. Alright guys. I kind of cut this one a little short, but it's not a problem. I've got about an 1/8 of an inch gap, but that's okay. We could fill that. That's not a problem. So we'll get this one tacked and we'll see how we go. Oh, I just thought of something. Hang on, guys. I just thought of something. Scratch that. Need my car keys. All right, guys. What I've done, got a ratchet strap. I just pulled it together. It actually hasn't come to too bad. The gap here, everything lines up on the gap, so I'll just give it a little bit of a clean. It's all good. And fingers crossed it don't burn me strap. So here we go. Alright guys, I put a little bit more weld in that than I did the other ones, mainly because she's under pressure. But, didn't even burn me strap. I've done well. Done well. Alright guys, I'm going to have to reposition this now, probably under the house or some way, and finish welding her up and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I brought it back under the house. I got the strap back on it. This was a little bit curved in. It leaned in a little bit, so I put the strap on it. I pulled it back out a little bit. It's never going to be perfect. The rack, this side here is it's never going to be perfect. But for what I want, I don't care. It's probably going to end up rusted out in a year or so anyway, because we're going to use it near salt water. So we'll see how we go. All right, guys, I'll just tack this together. if I can see what I'm doing. That dude must be shifting crap. Alright guys, I'm just checking to make sure because I can't really see where I'm welding under the house. I should put a light on, but even then I still don't know if I'm going to be able to see. There's nothing like the sun. Yeah, that looks like that might hold that. I'll get on to the next one. We'll just keep it all going because my camera lady's got to go, so we'll quickly do this one and then I really can't see what I'm doing there, guys, but we'll hope for the best. Looks like I'm getting it. Well, there we go, guys. I just got to do a little bit of finish welding, but I won't show you guys that. I don't want to bore you stupid with it. You guys know what's going on. I've got to weld it all together. So we'll take the strap off here, and luckily I haven't put any holes in it. I haven't welded anything or torn it. So these are very expensive. So I don't want to do that with it. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.